Good morning, children. Welcome back to Science Online class. Children, your pre-midterm exam will be going to start very soon. Might be in the month of August, so you have to be prepared for exam. We already finished our 5 lessons of science, but out of which only first 3 lessons are coming for exam. You have to note down correctly the portion for pre-midterm. 3 lessons are coming for exam. First 3, lesson 1 is Life of the Green World. Second lesson is Food, Health and Hygiene. And third lesson, Safety and First Aid. These 3 lessons are coming for exam. Nicely do the practice of diagram even, like different stages of germination, structure of monocot and dicot seed, and different road sign or traffic sign. Nicely do the practice of all these diagrams. Thoroughly read the lessons and go through the book exercise. Multiple choice questions will be asked in pre-midterm exam and small questions will be asked. So, nicely do the practice of all the lessons, all 3 lessons. This is the portion for pre-midterm. Nicely, correctly note it down, children. Okay, today we are going to start new lesson. Name of the lesson is Soil Erosion and Conservation. Name of the lesson Soil Erosion and Conservation. Children, you know that all living things get their food, all living things need food to live, and they get their food from plants. But from where do the plants get their food? Plants get their food from soil. But soil is not living thing. Then what kind of food does soil provide to plant? Soil provides food to plant in the form of minerals. Roots of the plant take up the water and mineral from the soil and prepare their food. So that soil is very important to us, not only for food production but for other reasons also. So we should try to conserve soil. Children, today we are going to study about soil, its importance and conservation of soil. These are the learning objective of the lesson: soil and its importance, formation of soil, soil erosion, factors causing soil erosion, and soil conservation. These are the learning objective. We are going to discuss all these topics in this lesson. Okay, so let's start with soil and its different layers. There are 3 different layers of soil: topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. These are the 3 layers of soil. The topmost layer of the earth surface is called topsoil. Topmost layer of earth surface is called topsoil. It is very fertile in nature. It contains most of the minerals and nutrients and water. Most of the plant grow in the topsoil, and plants take their nutrition from topsoil and prepare their food. Thus, soil forms the base of all life. second layer is subsoil, and lowermost layer of the surface is bedrock. These are the different layer of earth surface or soil. Now let's have a look importance of soil. Soil supports plant growth. The very important, soil is very important to us. It supports plant growth. All the plants grow in the soil. So soil supports plant growth. Soil is also a home to many organisms, microorganisms and animals like rabbit, rat, earthworm, ants, etc. Soil is the home to many microorganisms and animals. Animals like rat, rabbit and ant, earthworm, etc. Okay. Soil materials is also used by us for building purpose. You might have seen some of the houses are made up of mud. So soil material is also used for building purpose. Some things we also depend on soil for metals, cloths, petrol, furniture and number of other things around us. Like you can see in the picture, the earthen pots, these are also made from the soil. Okay, now we will discuss about formation of soil, how the soil is formed. Soil formation is very long process. You know that below the soil means lowest layer of the soil is found a layer of rocks. Soil is a product of wearing and breaking away of the rocks. The heat of the sun, water, wind and plant root break these rocks into smaller rocks. Okay, and water and wind rub them against each other and water take them to narrow places, and these rocks further break into very small pieces, and ultimately they break into particles to form soil. Big rock break down into small rocks and small rocks ultimately break into fine particles, and it is soil. In this way soil formation takes place. Soil formation takes thousands of years to change the rocks into soil. This is the way soil is formed. By the action of the heat of sun, water, wind, the big rock change into small rock, means break into smaller rocks, and the smaller rocks again break down by the wind and water into very small pieces of the rock, and small pieces finally break down into fine particles is the soil. Okay, now come to the next topic, soil erosion. We know that soil is formed by the action of wind and water on the big rocks, but at the same time these agents means wind and water forms soil can even harm it. During the formation of soil, the soil settle in the layer one above the other, and the topmost layer has humus and various minerals in it. It is the most fertile layer of the soil and it is called topsoil. You know that all the plants grow in topsoil because it very fertile. Topsoil is rich in minerals. Sometimes this layer is carried out by wind and water, and this reduces the fertility of soil. Means this process of wearing off or washing off or carrying away of the soil or topsoil by the wind, water or any other agent is called soil erosion. The process of wearing off or washing off or carrying away of soil by wind, water or any other agent is called soil erosion. You can see in the picture, the top layer of the soil is washed away by the rain, and this washing away of topmost layer of the soil by water or wind is called soil erosion. Topmost layer of the soil is very rich in minerals and fertile. It have humus in it, but by the strong wind and rain, heavy rain washed away topsoil, and this washing away or carrying away of the soil by wind or water is called soil erosion. Soil erosion reduces the fertility of soil and farmers do not get good crop. So it becomes important to know about the causes of soil erosion and its preventive measure. Means how we will prevent the soil from soil erosion, and the process of protecting the soil from erosion is called soil conservation. Children, in the next class we will study about some different agent of soil erosion. So that's all for today. Have a good day.